नमस्कार. आपलं मेकॅनिक्समधला लॅग्रांजियन फॉर्म्युलेशन्स टॉपिक चालू आहे. मागच्या लेक्चरला आपण इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन्स फॉर अ पार्टिकल ऑर अ सिस्टीम ऑफ पार्टिकल पाहिलं. 2 थेरम सेपरेटली पाहिले आपण. आता आपण कॉन्झर्वेशन थेरम फॉर लिनियर मोमेंटम ऑफ द सिस्टीम ऑफ पार्टिकल कॉन्झर्वेशन थेरम्स पाहणार आहोत. आणि पहिला जो थेरम आहे कॉन्झर्वेशन थेरम ऑफ लिनियर मोमेंटम ऑफ द सिस्टीम ऑफ पार्टिकल असं पाहणार आहोत. थेरम फर्स्ट, इफ द सम ऑफ एक्सटर्नल फोर्स ॲक्टिंग ऑन द पार्टिकल इज 0, then prove that linear momentum of the system is constant. अगदी छोटासा थेरम आहे. We know that from the equations of the motions F bar is equal to P bar dot. But it is given that the sum of external forces of the particle is 0, that is P bar dot is equal to 0. Therefore P bar is equal to 0. Therefore P bar dot is equal to 0. And which goes on integrations, therefore P is equal to constant, that is constant of motion. Therefore linear momentum of the particle is constant. Therefore total linear momentum is constant. Now see here, repeat again. If the theorem, repeat, if the sum of external force acting on the particle is 0, then prove that. You have to prove that total linear momentum of the system of particle is constant. Prove the system of particle from the equations of motions is given by F bar is equal to P bar dot. But it is given that sum of external force acting on the particle is 0, therefore F bar is equal to 0. Therefore P bar dot is equal to 0 on integrations. Therefore P is equal to constant. Linear momentum of the particle is constant. Hence linear momentum is conserved. Linear momentum is conserved. Linear momentum is conserved. Linear momentum is conserved. Next one, angular momentum of the system of particle. Consider a system of particle of masses m1 m2 dot 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 mn having position vector r1 r2 dot 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 rn relative to an arbitrary fixed origin. The angular momentum of the particle of ith particle about the origin is given by Li bar is equal to Ri cross product Pi bar. We know that the definition of angular momentum. What is angular momentum? Cartesian vector cross product of the linear momentum and radius vector or position vector. Thus the total angular momentum of the system about any point is equal to the vector sum of the angular momentum of the individual particle. Hence we have summation of Li over I is equal to summation of Ri cross Pi, cross product Pi. If N is the total torque acting on the system, if N is the total torque acting on the system, then equations of motions of the system is given by N bar is equal to dl bar dt, that is d by dt of L bar, what is Ri bar cross Pi bar, and which gives on product rule, differentiation of product rule, u same as derivatives of v plus v same as derivatives of u. That is n bar is equal to dl bar dt is equal to pi bar same as d by dt of ri bar ri dot plus ri bar same as d by dt of pi dot. But we have summation of ri multiply pi is equal to summation of ri multiply mi ri dot. Sorry, summation of ri dot multiply pi dot, summation of ri dot multiply pi bar dot is equal to summation of ri dot multiply mi ri dot is equal to 0. Now consider summation of ri dot multiply pi bar dot. What is pi bar? Is equal to force resolving into two components, external force and internal force. Therefore Fe bar plus Fj internal, and from this additions separate the summation. Therefore summation of ri dot cross product pi dot cross product pi dot pi bar dot is equal to summation of ri cross P bar plus summation of ri cross Fj internal. Therefore ri cross pi dot is equal to ri cross Fi plus ri cross Fj internal, where now the terms summation of ri bar plus cross product Fj internal can be expressed as ri cross Fj internal is equal to R2 minus R1 multiply F1 to internal plus R3 minus R1 multiply F13 internal plus R3 minus R2 multiply F23 internal plus dot 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 component of force. Therefore Ri minus Rj multiply Fj internal. Therefore summation of Ri cross Fj internal is equal to Rij cross product Fj internal. For Rij, where Rij is equal to Ri summation of modulus of Ri minus Rj. Interchanging I and j, I and j on the from the LHS, from the RHS of equation, this equation, these equations this equation. Therefore we can write it as Ri bar cross Fj internal is equal to minus Rij cross Fj internal. Equation 6. Equation 5, Ri cross Fj internal is equal to Rij cross Fj internal, and Ri bar cross Fj internal summation is equal to minus Rij cross Fj internal, summing म्हणजे addition, equation 5 plus 6. Therefore this get cancelled, RHS, and 2 times Ri cross Fj internal is equal to 0. Therefore summation of Ri cross Fj internal is equal to 0. Using 3, 4, 5, 6. What is 3? Ri bar cross Pi is equal to Ri cross Mi Ri. What is 4? Ri cross Pi dot is equal to Ri plus Fi plus Ri cross Fj internal. What is 5? Ri cross Fj internal is equal to Rij cross Fj internal. And 6, Ri cross Fj internal is equal to minus Rij cross Fj internal. Using 3, 5, 4, 7 in equation 2, therefore n bar is equal to dl bar dt is equal to r bar cross Fi external force. This shows that the total torque on the system of particle is equal to the vector sum of torques on the individual particle of the system. This is our angular momentum or torque. Now, conservations or theorems of angular momentum of the system of particle. Conservation theorems of angular momentum of the system of particle. If the total external torque acting on the system of particle is 0, then prove that total angular momentum of the system is conserved. Proof. We know that n bar is equal to dl bar dt, but total external torque acting on the system of the particle is 0, therefore n bar is equal to 0, therefore dl bar dt is equal to 0. Integrating, therefore L bar is equal to constant, therefore L bar is equal to constant of motions, and this shows that angular momentum of the particle of the system of particle is conserved.